Tumaas sa 97.1% ang employment rate sa Central Visayas kung saan nanguna sa nakapag-ambag ang Business Processing and Outsourcing Company. Yan ang ulat ni Zoana Rose Lopez ng Philippine Information Agency's Central Visayas.
Ng Central Visayas ang 97.1% pagtaas sa employment rate sa taong 2024 kumpara sa 96.0 noong 2023. Ito ay batay sa datos na nilabas ng Philippine Statistics Authority Region 7. Kinikilala ng Department of Labor and Employment Region 7 ang mga kumpanyang nakarehistro bilang Business Processing and Outsourcing Company bilang isa sa mga nangungunang employers sa Central Visayas batay sa kanilang labor force survey.
As to the type of industry that hires more or a lot of our job seekers are as follows. We have the BPO or the business processing, process outsourcing, the wholesale and retail trade, hotels and restaurants, manufacturing, industries, and other services, no, mga community services like HR outsourcing after po sa BPO, no. So these are the top mga industries that hire job seekers.
Hinikayat naman ni Uy ang mga job seekers na paunlarin ang kanilang soft and hard capacitation skills at sumali sa mga job fairs at mga programa na isinasagawa ng Public Employment Services Office. Si J.R. Ambuyong, isang BPO employee, ay nagpapayo sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho na maghanap ng kumpanyang akma sa kanilang mga kasanayan at karanasan.
The tips that I can give to those job seekers, just be confident, and also if you want to look at the company's nature of their work so that you can tailor your skills and also your experiences if it's in line with the company's job description.